How to adjust the maximum and minimum of the axis, and then also how to include the markers on our box plot. Now, when we select the horizontal axis, then we can come and format the axis. And then under format axis, we have the fill and line, we have effects, and then we have axis options. We go to axis options. Under axis options, we have number. And then we have axis options, we have minimum. Instead of 0, let's put 15. And the maximum, let's put 100, because there could be people who actually scored 100. So we can see that our minimum of the axis has changed from 0 to 15, and then our maximum is at 100. Now, let's also see how to include data labels. Now, we are seeing the third quartile at the bottom of the box, the median at the middle, the third quartile at the top of the box, and the minimum and maximum, but they are not labeled. So we can choose to, first of all, remove the grid lines. Then we come instead and highlight the box, and then we right-click, and then we have add data labels. Let's try to change the font color of our data labels and see whether we are able to view them properly. Let's for now use the color red. Let's input data labels for the other series, and we also come highlight the data labels and give them color red, and we go to the other series, which is writing, and we also put data labels and we color them color red. So what does this mean? This shows that the minimum for writing is 27, the minimum for reading is 29, and then the medium for math is 27. Now, although math and the writing have the same minimum, but they are quartiles are different. We have the third quartile for math at 77, while the third quartile for writing is at 79. The first quartile for math is 57, and then for writing it is 57.25. Now we can see that there was relative uniform performance amongst the students for these two subjects. But when you compare the two with reading, you find that reading was done slightly better. The median mark is 69. The minimum is 29. The third quartile is 79. And also when you look at the box is a bit raised compared to the box for writing and math, and also the box is a bit smaller. So now in the next lesson, let's try to have a general interpretation for this box plot.